Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to host a Google Meeting. Okay, to become a host, we need to start the call, and we can click on the host controls and we can select the host management. Now we can simply control what contributors can do. So currently they can share their screen. When I all select it, they won't be able to do it. Same thing with sending out the reactions, turning on their microphone, and also their video. Below we have the chat. We can also enable to let other people send messages. We can also enable the feature to host must join before anyone else. And we can also change the meeting access type. It can be open or trusted. And the last thing are meeting activities. Let contributors share add-on activities. We can turn it on or off, or allow third-party apps to collect audio and video. You can also enable it or disable as a host. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.